Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. In this video we're going to learn how to add Instagram lead ads leads to aitable.ai. So I am an owner of a business and to promote my business I am running Instagram lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically a record of that lead should be created into my aitable.ai account. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Instagram lead ads and aitable.ai with the help of Pably Connect. Pably Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and action. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Instagram lead ads and my action application is going to be aitable.ai. If you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to add Instagram lead ads leads to aitable.ai. So I am an owner of a business and to promote my business, I am running Instagram lead ads. So my objective is that whenever a new lead is generated by any of my customers with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically a record of that lead should be created in my aitable.ai. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Instagram lead ads and aitable.ai with the help of Pably Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pably Connect, that is pably.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pably Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pably Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pably Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pably, from which we are going to select Pably Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pably Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pably Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, to click on the top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. Then a new dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Add Instagram lead ads leads to aitable.ai. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Next, it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pably Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. So these are the folders that I've created in my Pably Connect account, from which I'm going to select aitable.ai automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. Then after giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, we're going to click on create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Add Instagram lead ads leads to aitable.ai, and there are two windows in front of you. One says trigger, another says action. Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two steps. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our trigger step by clicking on this arrow right over here, and for the trigger application we are going to select it as Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads, and for the trigger event I'm going to select it as new lead instant. We have selected our trigger application as Instagram lead ads and our trigger event as new lead instant because we want that whenever a new lead is generated by the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pably Connect should capture the response. After selecting the trigger application and the event, we're going to click on connect in order to connect Instagram lead ads with Pably Connect. Then a new window is going to appear on which we have to click on add new connection. So now I'm going to tell you one thing, that this is my Instagram page as you can see right over here. So this page is directly connected to this page in my Facebook account as you can see right over here. I'm going to show you that this page is connected to Instagram lead ads. For that we have to click on settings right over here. After clicking on settings, if I'm going to scroll down, over here it says linked account. I'm going to click over here, and as you can see over here it says for the Instagram it is connected to this account right over here. As you can see, this is the account right over here. With the help of this page I will be running my Instagram lead ads. So for that I will be using this Facebook page as you can see right over here. With the help of this Facebook page as you can see right over here. Okay, so as I don't have the live campaign running on with the help of Instagram lead ads, what I will be doing is I will be capturing the test lead. Okay, if I'm going to take you back to my ad manager, this is the campaign that I'm running as you can see right over here, but it is, as you can see over it says it's in draft. That means the campaign is not live. If I'm going to click on edit, this is the campaign that I'm running with the help of Instagram as well as Facebook lead ads, as you can see right over here. So this is the campaign that I will be running with the help of Instagram lead ads, my business, as you can see right over here. And as the campaign is not live right now, what we are going to do is we are going to capture the test responses and we're going to generate the test lead with the help of Instagram lead ads. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Firstly, I'm going to go back to the workflow that I've created. I'm going to click on connect with Instagram lead ads right over here. As soon as you're going to click on that, a new window is going to appear on which it is asking for us to log into our Facebook account. So as my Instagram account is directly linked with the Facebook account, I'm going to click on continue right over here. And as I've clicked on continue, you can see it is successfully authorized with Pabbly Connect. That means our Instagram lead ads successfully authorized with Pabbly Connect. Okay. After connecting Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, over here it is asking for us to select a page. So for the page right over here, we're going to select the page that we have created in our Facebook account. So this is the name of my business, that is Peak Performance Physio right over here. So this is the name of my business right over here. So for the page right over here, I'm going to select it as Peak Performance Physio. So I'm going to select my page over here as Peak Performance Physio. We are selecting our page as Peak Performance Physio because the Instagram page that I've created is directly linked to the page we have created in our Facebook account. Okay, so that is why we've selected our page over here as Peak Performance Physio. Then for the lead gen form right over here, I have created a lead ads form in the name of New Instagram Leads Ads. As you can see, this is the form that I've created, as you can see right over here. So for the form right over here, I'm going to select it as New Instagram Leads Ads. Okay, so after selecting the page and the form, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As you can see right over here, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, over here it is asking for waiting for webhook response. So now what we are going to do is we are going to generate a test lead with the help of Instagram lead ads, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of that test lead or not. Okay, so for that, how we're going to generate a test lead? For that, we have to open the lead ads testing tool. As you can see, this is the lead ads testing tool. With the help of this tool, we are going to be generating the test leads. If you want to learn how to have the access of this page, then you can check out our YouTube channel. For the page right over here, I'm going to select it as Peak Performance Physio. As you can see, this is the page that I've selected right over here. And for the form over here, I'm going to select it as New Instagram Leads Ads. As you can see, after selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on Preview Form. So as you can see, this is the form that I've created with the help of Instagram lead ads, and it is asking for the full name, email and the phone number. So we're going to fill in all the details. So firstly, for the full name over here, I'm going to write it as test user. Then for the email over here, I'm going to write it as testuser@pabblytunes.com. For the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. So after filling all the details, I'm going to click on next and then on submit to do a test submission. As you can see over here, it says your lead has been sent. So now we're going to check whether in the workflow that we have created in our Pabbly Connect, the test lead that we have generated right now with the help of lead ads testing tool is captured by Pabbly Connect or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow that I've created. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, as you can see right over here, response is captured. We're going to tally the response. For the full name as test user, email as testuser@pabblytunes.com, for the phone number, dummy mobile number, and all the other details. So this means that we have successfully connected Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, and a trigger setup is done. As we want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically a record of that lead should be created in our aitable.ai. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to set up our action step by clicking on this arrow, and for the action application, we are going to select it as aitable.ai. So I'm going to select my action application as aitable.ai, and for the action event as create a record. After selecting our action application and the event, we're going to click on connect. A new window is going to appear on which you have to click on add new connection. If you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After clicking on add new connection over here, you can see it is asking for an API token. Over here, we have to provide the API token, and how we're going to have the access of the API token by following the steps given here below. Firstly, we have to open our aitable.ai account. So as you can see, this is my aitable.ai account, and I've created a data sheet in the name of Instagram leads. As you can see right over here, I want to record the data of all the leads that is generated with the help of Instagram lead ads. Automatically a record of all those leads should be created in this data sheet. So we're going to connect our aitable.ai with Pabbly Connect. For that, we need a token. For that, you click right over here on the profile button, then on my settings. After clicking on my settings, over here it says developer. We're going to click on it. We're going to copy this token from here, and we're going to paste the token right over here. After that, we're going to click on save right over here. As you can see that aitable.ai is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Over here it is asking for the space. So for the space, I'm going to select it as member space because this is space that I've created in my aitable.ai account. For the data sheet right over here, as I've already told you that I've created a data sheet in the name of Instagram leads. So for the data sheet right over here, I'm going to select it as Instagram leads because I want to record the details of all those leads in this data sheet. Okay. Next it is asking for the full name, email and the phone number. Over here, if I'm going to take you back to the data sheet that I've created, there are three fields, that is full name, email and the mobile number. So these are the same fields, as you can see, full name, email and the mobile number, that I've created in my aitable.ai account. So for the data of these three fields, what we are going to do is, as we want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically a record should be created. For that, what we're going to do is we're going to map the data for these fields. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this automation workflow we are creating. How are we going to map the data? Click on this field right over here. You can see this was the previous step of this automation workflow, as you can see right over here. So by clicking on this arrow, you can see this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here for the data, over here it is required for full name. I'm going to map the data for the full name right over here. As I map the data right over here, the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the data right over here is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Next, it is asking for the email. We're going to map the data again. Click right over here, click on this arrow. We're going to map the data for the email. It is asking for the mobile number. We're going to map the data for the mobile number as well. So after filling all the details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. As you can see that a response is received after click on save and send test request, and for the message over here it says as success. So this means that a record might have been created in our aitable.ai. So I'm going to open my aitable.ai, and yes, as you can see right over here, a record of the test lead that we have generated with the help of Instagram lead ads is captured into the data sheet that we have created. For the full name as test user, email as testuser@pabblytuts.com, for the phone number, dummy mobile number. So this means that we successfully connected Instagram lead ads with aitable.ai. But now for all of you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate another test lead with the help of lead ads testing tool, and we're going to check whether a record of that test lead is captured into this data sheet or not. For that, I'm going to put the lead ads testing tool. As you can see, this is the lead ads testing tool. Over here it says you can create one lead per form. You need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. And as you can see that I've already created a lead with the help of this form, so we have to delete this existing lead by clicking on delete lead right over here. Over here it says a lead has been deleted. Now we're going to refresh the page. It is very important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because if you are not going to do that, you will not be able to generate another lead with the help of this form, because you can only generate one lead per form. Okay. For the page over here, I'm going to select it as Peak Performance Physio right over here, and for the form, I'm going to select it as New Instagram Leads Ads. So after selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on Preview Form right over here. So this is the form that I've created. As you can see right over here, it is asking for the full name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to fill in all the details. As you can see that I've filled in all the details. For the full name as demo user, email as demouser@pabblytuts.com, for the phone number, dummy mobile number. So after filling all the details, I'm going to click on next and then on submit to do a form submission. As you can see that over here it says a test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to open my aitable.ai and I'm going to check whether a record of the test lead that we have generated right now is created in our aitable.ai account or not. For that, I'm going to open my aitable.ai datasheet that I've created. And yes, as you can see right over here, record of the new lead that we have generated with the help of Instagram lead ads is captured into our aitable.ai. For the name as demo user, for the email as demouser@pabblytuts.com, for the phone number, dummy mobile number. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Instagram lead ads and aitable.ai with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business, and to promote my business, I am running Instagram lead ads. So my objective was that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically a record of that lead should be created in my aitable.ai data sheet that I've created. For that, what we have done is we have created an automation between Instagram lead ads and aitable.ai with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how we create an automation between these two applications. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.